These headphones are also the foldable kind. They got like a mint green and a purplish color. See, I think now it's focusing. It's like a purple color. The ear covers are real soft. Real nice. And then here's the on and off and the volume control. And if you want to answer the phone, let me see if it focuses. Focus. Okay, focus. Well, anyways. So, cuts on. And you see it's blinking, flashing. And you connect it to your phone and listen to your favorite music. And it's really pretty. Purple on the side, mint green. Sound quality is good. The cushion of the ears is great. It does fit most heads. I have a large head and it fits mine. You can fold them, put them back into your little box, or put them in your bag when you're going to the gym or running or whatever you want to do when you're using these headphones. In your gym bag, book bag, whatever it is. On here is the RIWBOX wireless headphones. Volume control with a mic. It says support voice control, microphone, HIFI sound quality, and soundproofed, wireless connected, and high professional quality, and xbt-80 Bluetooth stereo headphones. I don't know why my phone is not focusing today. But yeah, there is the headphones, and they're really nice. They're pull over your ears type. And over here it says these are the purple and green.